The most common question sellers have before they talk to us is some version of, what am I actually going to walk away with? It's a fair question. And the honest answer is, it depends on factors that most sellers haven't been told exist. Here's what I mean. When a property goes through the conventional process, listed, marketed, offers from retail buyers, the number that drives everything is the sale price. That's the figure everyone negotiates around. And because it's the most visible number, sellers naturally treat it as the number that determines their outcome. But what you walk away with isn't just the sale price. It's the sale price minus everything that happens between now and closing. Carrying costs while the property sits on market, repairs requested after inspection, concessions made to keep a buyer who's getting cold feet, agent commissions on both sides, closing costs, and if the first deal falls through and you start over, all of that again. By the time a conventional sale closes, the gap between the number on the contract and the number that actually lands in your account can be significant. Most sellers don't know what that gap looks like until they're already in it. The way this works differently is in how the deal is structured from the beginning. When a deal is built around your specific situation, the condition of the property, your timeline, what you actually need out of the transaction, the variables that eat into a conventional sale either shrink or disappear entirely. No carrying costs while it sits, no repair negotiations, no commission on your side, a timeline that closes when you need it to close. That doesn't automatically mean the number looks the same as a retail sale price. Sometimes it's close, sometimes there's a gap. What determines that is specific to your property and your situation. And that's exactly what the workshop walks through. What I want you to take from this before you get there is one thing. The number that matters isn't the sale price. It's what you're left with after everything else is accounted for. And that number is shaped by how the deal is put together, not just what's written on the contract. That's what we'll get into on the workshop.